Hi guys, this is Kurt Yan of Calibrate Coffee, and this is Brew Better. Now, the Bourbon varietal is considered one of the most genetically imported coffees in the world, and today I'll be brewing this sweet cup coming from the farm itself. This coffee is grown from 1,400 meters above sea level. So what I'm brewing today, 13 grams of this fine, medium fine coffee, ground coffee, moving with 60 milliliters of water. Now, one of the surprising things about this coffee that I found out is that even if this is a locally grown bourbon, this is actually tasting much better compared to ordinary local coffees that's available in the market right now. Now, Finca de Garces has tried and got in touch with professionals in the industry in making it so that the quality of their coffee improves. For the past year, Good Cup Coffee has been tasting and cupping coffees from Finca de Garces with the hopes to answer the question posed as to how they could make it better. So the solution actually came up by them providing direct feedback to the farmers, processors, and growers. We are done brewing. For the aroma, it smells sweet and citrusy, reminds you of oranges, and a combination of that vanilla smell. This coffee actually tastes a lot less bright, but at the same time also has a very good sweetness to it. As it says, it is actually tasting a lot of mandarin orange, vanilla, and stone fruits. And with this cup in particular, there's a very clean taste, and that bright tangy acidity also balances out the sweetness that is also offered by this coffee. Always remember, the best coffee is the one that you enjoy. Again, this is Kurt Yan from Calibrate Coffee, and this is Brew Better. Cheers, and don't stop brewing.